I just realized that my library doesn't open up until 10. So I have my breakfast here. I'm just gonna enjoy my breakfast while I'm waiting because it's like 9. So I'm just gonna wait outside under the sun. So it is about 1 p.m. I worked on my marketing assignments. I submitted it. Worked on my health quality assignment. I also submitted it. I worked on my health policy assignment that is due next week. Because it was easy, so I was like, let me just work on it. But I haven't submitted it because I'm still gonna go over it by next week. I didn't work on my finance projects because I really don't understand anything. So I might go over some of my notes and try to figure out by asking other people how they are doing it, because it's a big project and I have some part to do, and most of my things that I have to calculate comes from other people's calculations. So not all the other calculations are done. So it gives me a little time to figure out before actually starting. And I have my health law meeting in like an hour with my classmates and my teacher. I did work on it yesterday, so I'll try to see in the shared document if I have to add on some other things and details and everything, but we still have until Sunday to figure out everything, so we still have time. I'm gonna head back home because my phone is about to die, and hopefully I get to go out again because it's really nice outside today. For the issues that we would recommend for further investigation, do you have a specific number, or we kind of like so it's 3:36. My meeting has been over for about an hour now, and I've just been working on my health law group project. I'm about to kind of like put as much as I can and just finish for the day. It's just Sunday, so we still have time. And I'm about to cook too. I'm so hungry, and I had some leftover jollof rice that I cooked the other day, and I just need to cook some chicken to eat it with. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay guys, I'm almost done with school stuff. I still have to work on my health law thing. I might do it tonight or tomorrow. And finance, I'll probably do that tomorrow. So right now I'm about to start cooking. It's not gonna take me forever because the rice is already done. I just need the chicken, and I'm just gonna put it in the oven. So it really shouldn't take that long. So yeah, I will check back with you guys when I am done cooking. Guys, I changed my mind. I want to eat roasted potatoes and chicken and broccoli, and I have it. I have broccoli and I have potatoes. So the jollof, I'll probably have it on another day. Not today. Okay, back to cooking. Okay guys, I'm about to have dinner, and then I'll just be watching Netflix and maybe working on my health law stuff later tonight. But I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you so much. If you've made it here, thank you so much for sticking with me. I hope you liked the video. I didn't do much today, but I still hope you liked it. And give me a thumbs up. Let's chat in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys.